G'day from Cozy Beach, Pratumnak. I'm at the Sky Gallery, if anyone's been here before. Beautiful. It's Cozy Beach down there. And we're going to have a look at a 2-bedroom, 136 square metre condo just up the road here with spectacular views, like seriously amazing. And it's for rent, 18,000 baht a month. And for sale in a foreign name, like this thing's like a renovator's dream, even though you could probably just give it a coat of paint and some decorating and maybe retile the floor. Anyway, you'll see it. And you can walk down here. It's literally just up here. I'll show you that. And let's go. That view on camera doesn't look that great, but trust me, in real life, it is amazing. So this is Soi Kasatan, I think it's called, and straight down the end there, well, there's Cozy Beach Hotel, is the Sky Gallery and the Chocolate Factory and Little Mermaid, or whatever it's called, Three Mermaids. All these restaurants here. There's the pool. But I'm inside a 136 square metre 2-bedroom condo. It's for sale and for rent. It's old. The building's about 30 years old plus, and it needs a reno if you wanted to buy it, or some new furniture. Look at this old cane furniture and all this timber built-ins. A big kitchen, but there's no oven. Old AC unit. The rent is only 18,000 a month. There's no oven. But to buy, it's 5.2 million in a foreign name. Look at this, huge master. But all original built-in furniture. 5.2 million, foreign name, 136 square metres. With that view. Walk-in wardrobe. Power's off. Apologies for that. But it's all quality. It's all quality wood. Yeah. Everything okay? Everything's good. And there's one bathroom. What's interesting, so there's a door there, and a door there, and the second bedroom. Look at that. And the thing that I find amazing, apart from the size, is have a look at this entrance and double door. Look at that. Amazing. Look. Anyway, we'll go downstairs and have a look at the pool and the parking. That's the entrance here. Those big old buildings. It's well maintained. The maintenance here is 30 baht per square metre per month. There's the pool and the building. Can't get into the gym, but it has one. Treadmill. Treadmill, exercise bike. So coming out of the foyer, here's one level of parking. Straight here off the street. But they've also got another level underground. Down here is the basement car park. Oof, what's this? Wow. Holy shit, is that a Challenger or something? And there's a Maserati down here that's been collecting dust and flat tyres, hasn't moved for years. What a waste. Holy smoke. Oh. Next to a modified Porsche Cayenne. Jeez. Anyway, so just to confirm, if you were to buy it, the maintenance here is 30 baht per square metre per month, paid annually. 136 square metres, so 136 times 30 times 12. So that's the building there. Big condominium. And you can see there's a 7-Eleven straight across there. Fruit market. Green space. Massage shops. Pharmacy. That's the Cozy Beach Hotel right there. Sky Gallery. Amazing views from that place, straight out there, over towards Koh Larn. Chocolate factory. Three mermaids. Very cool. The Luna Beach House. Pretty exclusive area here, guys. Cliff Beach Club. Haven't seen that before. And the very famous Oxygen. This is beachfront, this joint. Haven't eaten in here yet. One day. So yeah, to rent that place, 18,000, you'd probably have to spend a bit of money off, well, you would. TV and washing machine, sofa, but man, that's cheap. 136 square metres in that prime location. 18,000 a month. Or if you're wanting to buy 5.2 million, foreign name, and renovate it, or just make it a bit tidy, and then you could charge 30,000 baht a month rent. I don't think it'd be too difficult, maybe even more. 2-bedroom, 136 square metre. You know, spend a couple of $100 grand on furniture and paint, and make it nice. Rent it out, 35,000 a month, or fully renovate it and make more. If you go left and where that black Mazda's going, that takes you up to the Buddha Hill with the Pattaya Bay view, down that direction to Jomtien. So down there is the back of Walking Street. We're going to turn onto Third Road. Anyway, flying solo again today. So 18,000 a month to rent, 136 square metre 2-bedroom in Pratumnak. Buy your own furniture and then sell it if you need to. Get the permission from the owner to paint it. It's a bargain. We'll buy it and do that and then rent it out for much more money. Anyway, see you in the next video.